bites the dust. Oh, why can I not conquer love? And I might have thought that we were one. Wanted to fight this war without weapons, and I wanted it bad. But there were so many red flags. Now another one bites the dust. Yeah, let's be clear, I trust no one. You did not break me. I am still fighting for peace, but I've got thick skin and an elastic core. But your blade might be too sharp. I'm like a rubber band until you pull to war. Yeah, I may snap and I move fast. You won't see me fall apart, 'cause I've got an elastic heart. I've got an elastic heart. Yeah, I've got an elastic heart.
Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. So sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. What am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you? Well, I can't do that. There's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to feel strong. 'Cause I've had time to think it through. And maybe I'm too good for you. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah.
and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the burning flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Go the distance,
I let it fall, my heart. And as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over.